Hello, what is up guys, Artisan here, back with yet another diecast car video, and today we have the Mini GT Lamborghini Huracan EVO Bologna Airport 2020 Follow Me car. I'm sorry if I said the city name wrong. This is based out of a city in Italy, where obviously we have this Lamborghini Huracan used as an airport like follow car. You normally hear the name follow me car. That's basically like a safety car from obviously anywhere around the world, and it's a safety car used for airplanes as guidance to either take off or you do some departure, or you arrive, and basically the airplane has to follow this car in order to reach to its destination. So yeah, basically this place uses the Lamborghini Huracan as the follow me car. And yes, let's go ahead and open this up. So this car is basically has an interesting story. So yeah, just stay in this video if you want to know what happened to this car. Actually, it is quite interesting that this car so here it is, the Lamborghini Huracan EVO. Hold on, let me just there you go. So this is the Lamborghini Huracan EVO, obviously in this follow me car type of livery right here. So basically this car is used in the Bologna airport, which is located in Italy, as you might already know. So this car is quite interesting. So basically a few days after I bought this car, Mini GT released a statement that they're gonna do a recall for this specific Lamborghini Huracan EVO and it's open for returns of this car because it has been recalled due to some issues for other countries. I'm not sure whether it is something about the copyright, or it is not allowed for some countries to have this car, or this how would I say this follow me car, basically from for maybe some airports, I don't know. But yeah, it has basically been recalled, and yeah, Mini GT opened their site for any returns of this car. They would accept it and they would basically keep them, I guess. But yeah, I basically bought it, and I will not be returning this because yeah, as you can see, this has already been a rare car, I would say, because when it comes to a car that has been recalled, basically it won't be out for another, I don't know how many years or so. Like maybe they'll do some improvements to it, or maybe they'll just not release it again anymore. But yeah, for a car like this, it's great to have it in your collection. And yeah, obviously it's a Huracan. Who doesn't want a Huracan, especially when it's a follow me car but not a safety car. But yeah, let's take a look at the car itself right here. So like I said just now, this car is in its livery right here. And yes, it says right here, welcome to the Bologna. What's that? What's that? What? Welcome to Italy. Yes. Hold on a sec. Oh! I just realized something. Is it just me, or they made a typo of the car right here. I'm not sure if you can see it or not. There you go. It says WELLCOME instead of WELCOME. I think that's why it's recalled. I'm not so sure. It could potentially be the reason of this recall of this casting, basically. So it basically says welcome to Bologna, welcome to Italy. And yes, you can see the Huracan right there. Some Italian design. So basically this car is designed based on the Italian flag, obviously red, white and green. And yeah, very nice. As you can see, the back is fully covered in red, and then you have a white stripe going from bottom to top, and you can see some racing stripes at the rear right here. So, sort of. And then for the front, obviously it is in green, more of like a metallic green. The back, I mean the red candle looks a bit metallic, I guess. Yeah. As you can see, blacked out rims, which are pretty cool. Obviously rubber tires, of course, for Mini GT. And then you have this side intake, I guess, sort of, in black. You have the blackout roof, which I kind of like. And then you have the sirens on the top in red. As you can see right here, it says follow me car. I mean, it says follow me only, but yeah. At the bottom, hold on. What is that? Oh, it's something in Italian, but I'm not sure what it is. I don't want to pronounce it because I might say it wrongly, but yeah, there's that. Then you have a bit more of the racing stripes in white right there. Lamborghini logo, as well as the headlights, which are quite amazingly detailed right there. That's the front. Moving on to the back, obviously a Huracan can't have its detailed rear lights. As you can see, it has two exhaust pipes, one on the right, one on the left, and in between that you have the license plate, which says, hold on, what's that? Oh, it says Huracan EVO. If you can see it right there in black. Nice. Then it says follow me. That's the last detail right there. You can see the engine at the back, obviously right there. Black interior, which seems pretty cool. The base, which is pretty plain, I guess. Well, it's metallic. It's not matte, the base. Made in China, Mini GT. Very nice. Overall, fantastic looking car, but quite sad that it's already been recalled and it might not release anymore. I'm not sure the potential of it releasing in the future or not. Overall, it's a very nice casting, not gonna lie. I mean, like, the fact that they had the idea to make the Huracan EVO from Italy, the Bologna airport, into Mini GT is quite insane. I know Tomica has made this with their Lamborghini Aventador. I don't remember what country was that for. Hold on, let me check. It's that the Tomica one was the Asia online exclusive, but yeah, it didn't release after that anymore. I think I've made a review of that. Go check it out if you want. But yeah, that is my review of the Lamborghini Huracan EVO Bologna Airport 2022 Follow Me car. Once again, thank you guys for watching. See my other videos. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you soon. Bye bye.